Hello again and welcome to this section of the module. So here we are looking at the assessment summary report. This report accompanies the main report that you're sending. And what this does, it actually does a deep dive into the different competencies and sub-competencies. Now, you can complete this and download it from the IET Career Manager. You can grade yourself, so you put a grading on the different sub-competencies. Okay, different sub-competence, sorry. In this example, the candidate felt that they had achieved expert level, so that's level 4 from level 1, 2, 3, 4. So they felt that they were expert under 14 sub-competence and practitioner level of 2 in 2 of the competence, 2 of the attributes. So this is an example. Like I say, it's more detailed. The report had about 2,000, between 2,000 and 2,500 words. That's the sort of reasonable level for the report. This one goes into detail. So for instance, under the A competence and A1 in particular, which is maintain and extend a sound theoretical approach, the candidate has provided evidence on them. So what it means is that when the assessors are looking at your report and they think that the report does not have sufficient information on a particular evidence, they can refer to this assessment summary report, which is like a more detailed version. It goes into in-depth. If, for instance, I want to know exactly what the candidate did under competence C1, all I have to do is refer to C1 in this assessment report. So I'll just scroll down and go to C1 because I need to see if the candidate was actually planning for effective project implementation. I can see that the candidate has got 1, 2, 3, 4 examples. Then I can actually dig deep and look at this one, for instance. And the candidate said that before starting work on this project, they organized a pre-job brief with the project lead to explain their role in the project and agree deliverables and timescales. I identified a knowledge gap in my ability to program in C# language. A successful implementation of the project was dependent upon a good understanding of C# programming language. So I spent time learning the C# language 5 weeks prior to the start of the project. I also spent time learning how to use the software development environment, which is Microsoft Visual Studio. And I produced a quality plan. So refer to competence B2 in this assessment report for details. In carrying out the project, I worked closely with colleagues in the data processing group. I also communicated regularly with my placement supervisor to update her with progress on the reports. So this is good planning for effective implementation. And the same philosophy applies to all the other sub-competence. So under leadership and leading teams and development of staff, there is an example there. Okay, so this is the assessment summary report. Like I said, is a more detailed version of what you've done. This accompanies your actual report. So my advice is that you prepare this in tandem with the other one. As always, reach out to us for help. So if you need help with producing the assessment summary or indeed the main report, do not hesitate to get in contact with us and we would guide you throughout the way. Thank you very much and we'll see you in subsequent modules. Bye-bye.